Hi! In this video I'll show you how to add bolt and nut. Delete the original cube. Go to Edit menu. Select Preferences. And in the search box search for bolt. Tick check beside Bolt Factory Addon. Close. Go to Add menu. From Mesh add bolt. Go to Add menu again. And from Mesh add another bolt. The second bolt can be changed to nut. Go to the Add Bolt menu at the left bottom corner. And change the bolt to nut. That is all. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.